This is wonderful. I mean, I was floored by what I saw.
And I'm very proud of Chapman University, what it's done and what it hopes to do.
This was a neighborhood school with a significant history. It's so gratifying for us to know what this project means to everyone, from the city planners to the neighbors to the Chapman community.
Daniele was telling me about this new school that the university had just acquired. The stars aligned and we're able to bring together this great building with all of its amazing history. And then it also played a very important role in the history of desegregation in the country.
It was very segregated here. You couldn't go here, you couldn't go there.
Culture was mixing in the state of California, especially Orange County is mixing. One culture did not understand the other culture. This school in itself, plus the teaching, brought us together.
And you learn from them. You learn from kind of foods they have, why they think that way, why they think we think that way.
There is something in the heart of all the persons that went to the school and the community. It was a lifeline to the future.
I would come together with Colette Krappel, who's the vice president of campus planning, together with her team and the architects every month and say, you know, what's happening, what needs to change, here are our targets. And then being part of that process was really very rewarding, and I was able to then help also inject some of the scientific needs and ideas.
And there's so many moments throughout the building where we do that, where we say one just respects the other. For example, it's the original flagpole on the building, the original weather vane that's very animated and evokes so much. The original school bell is still there. The rope comes through, and we've now got it in a display in the wall instead of sort of tucked away. We can ring that bell, and when you hear that sound, you know that that sound started over 90 years ago. Knowing that school children were assembled out there in that courtyard to listen to the principal and to put on plays and that sort of thing.
And we loved the bandstand there because they would do different events. Are you kidding? These are the floors, the wood that we had here. I would have never guessed that in a million years. They did wonderful work.
It's a high level of performance by the design and construction teams, and we're really thrilled to have pulled that off.
It's a testimony to the skill of the workmen because they're able to take those chalkboards down and apply their craft to completely sand off all the graffiti, to plane it down so it looks basically like brand new slate. They put them at a lower level, and why did they do that? Because that's the way it was when it was an elementary school.
My sister came to this school. She's younger than I am. My nephews came to the school. They're here for the community. That is what, to me, very important.
To see this come back to life as a place of learning, as a place of knowledge, we've heard so much from the neighbors already, how exciting that is.
All the memories came back. We can really be proud now because now it looks like something that we should have had to begin with as we were growing up.
Our life has changed, but the function of the building has not changed. It's a teaching school, and that's more important to me than anything else.